Last take.
Newton's laws are beautiful, they are simple too. These 3 laws that Newton made, I'll sing them all to you. Newton's law of inertia requires a net force to move. An object at rest will stay at rest. A moving one will move. What is net force? Newton explains this too. Is a sum of all forces, mass times acceleration. Now law number 3, you might not see, but it happens every day. For every action, there's an opposite reaction of equal force, they say. Oh, Merry Christmas, Newton. Happy birthday to you. I've just one wish on this holiday. I wish I were smart as you.
Yay!